Welcome to ESP Class Podcast. Real English for real life.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Albert, that sounded like I'm okay, but your face said, no, I'm not.
My face is too honest.
Maybe your face knows the truth before your English does.
Yes, that's the problem. In my language, I can say it. But in English, I don't know how to say I'm not okay without sounding dramatic.
That is a very real problem. Sometimes you don't need a big explanation. You just need one simple, honest sentence.
Yes, because when I'm not okay, my English becomes very small.
And small English can still be enough. Hi, and welcome to ESP Class, Simple English for Real Life. I'm Emily.
And I'm Albert. And today, yes, I really need this one.
Today, we're learning how to say, I'm not okay in simple English.
So not a long emotional speech?
No long speech, just simple sentences you can use when someone asks, are you okay?
Good, because if I need a long speech, I will just say I'm fine and disappear.
Let's give you something better than disappearing.
Please.
Your main sentence today is, I'm not feeling okay today.
I'm not feeling okay today.
That's it. Simple, honest, and not too strong.
I like not feeling okay. It sounds softer than I'm not okay.
Exactly. I'm not okay today is also useful, but I'm not feeling okay today can feel a little softer in many situations.
I'm not feeling okay today.
Yes, you can say it to a friend, someone close to you, or someone you trust.
What if I don't want to explain everything?
Then you don't have to. This sentence does not ask you to explain your whole life.
Good. My whole life is not ready in English.
Most people's whole life is not ready in English.
So if someone asks, are you okay? I can say, I'm not feeling okay today?
Yes, let's hear it in a small moment.
Okay.
Hey, are you okay? You're very quiet today.
I'm not feeling okay today.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thanks.
Notice how short that was?
Very short, but it worked.
Right. You were honest, but you did not give a long explanation.
That feels safe.
Good. Now, sometimes you want to be honest, but even softer. You can say, I'm not feeling great today.
I'm not feeling great today.
This is useful when you feel sad, tired, stressed, or just not good, but you don't want to explain too much.
So, not feeling great is like a small umbrella.
A small umbrella?
Yes, it covers many bad feelings.
That actually makes sense.
English umbrella.
Yes, I'm not feeling great today is your English umbrella.
I'm not feeling great today.
That sounds natural.
Is it okay at work?
It can be, but at work you may want something simple and not too personal. You can say, I'm just having a hard day.
I'm just having a hard day.
This gives a little information, but not too much.
Like, please understand me, but please don't ask for my full story.
Exactly. That is the feeling.
I'm just having a hard day.
Let's try that in a work situation.
Okay.
You're very quiet today. Everything okay?
I'm just having a hard day.
I understand. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
That was natural and professional.
And I didn't have to explain the whole problem.
Exactly. You shared enough.
But what if they ask, do you want to talk about it? And I don't want to talk.
Very important. You need a boundary sentence.
Boundary sentence sounds serious.
It can be simple. Say, I don't want to talk about it right now.
I don't want to talk about it right now.
Good. And if you want to sound a little softer, add, but thank you for asking.
I don't want to talk about it right now, but thank you for asking.
That sentence does two things. It says, I need privacy, And it also says, I see your kindness.
That's useful. It doesn't sound cold.
Right, tone matters too. Say it calmly, not angrily.
I don't want to talk about it right now, but thank you for asking.
That works.
Can I say something shorter if I'm really tired?
Yes, you can say, not right now.
Not right now.
But if the person is kind and you want to be polite, you can add, maybe later.
Not right now. Maybe later.
Simple and useful.
I like that. It's small, but clear.
Let's put these together in a real conversation.
Okay. Real feelings, simple English.
Hey, are you okay?
I'm not feeling great today.
Do you want to talk about it?
Not right now. Maybe later.
Okay, I'm here if you need me.
Thank you.
That was a complete conversation.
It was so short.
Short can be enough, especially when the moment is difficult.
I think learners need to hear that. We don't need perfect English when we are already not okay.
Exactly. You need English that helps you stay clear and safe in the conversation.
Curiosity. What if someone says, I'm not okay to me? What should I say back?
Good question. We'll keep it very simple. You can say, I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that.
And if you want to show support, you can say, I'm here if you need me.
I'm here if you need me.
These are kind sentences. You're not trying to fix everything. You are just responding with care.
That feels important. Sometimes I don't know what to say, so I say nothing.
These two sentences can help.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm here if you need me.
Yes,
Can we try the other side?
of course.
Are you okay?
I'm not feeling okay today.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm here if you need me.
Thank you. That means a lot.
That sounded kind, but not too big.
Exactly. Simple kindness.
Simple kindness. Very ESP class.
Very ESP class. Now let's practice with the listener.
Listener, imagine a friend asks you this question. You answer first, then I'll answer.
Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
I'm not feeling okay today.
Good. Now imagine you want to sound softer. Are you okay?
I'm not feeling great today.
Now imagine you don't want to talk about it. Do you want to talk about it?
Not right now. Maybe later.
That's enough. You answered clearly without over-explaining.
I like that phrase, without over-explaining.
Yes, you are allowed to keep some things private,
Even in English?
especially in English when you are still learning.
Can we do one final full situation?
Yes, this is the real-life version. You're at work. A coworker notices you seem a little quiet.
Okay, I'll try to be honest, but not too personal.
Hey, Albert, you seem a little quiet today. Everything okay?
I'm just having a hard day.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
Not right now, but thank you for asking.
Of course. I'm here if you need me.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
That was clear, polite, and not too personal.
And I didn't say I'm fine when I was not fine.
That is the key. You don't need to pretend, and you don't need to explain everything.
I can be honest in a small way.
Exactly. Small honesty is still honesty.
That one I'll remember.
Let's finish with one recap.
Okay.
If someone asks, are you okay? And you want to be honest, say, I'm not feeling okay today.
If you want a softer sentence, say, I'm not feeling great today.
If you are at work or you don't want to explain much, say, I'm just having a hard day.
If you don't want to talk now, say, not right now, maybe later.
Or a little softer, I don't want to talk about it right now, but thank you for asking.
And if someone says they are not okay, you can say, I'm sorry to hear that, or I'm here if you need me.
That's enough English for this moment. Simple, honest, and kind.
When the feeling is difficult, The English can be simple.
Exactly.
Keep one sentence from today. Just one. Use it when you need it.
This is ESP Class, Simple English for Real Life. See you in the next episode.
Take care.
Want to keep learning with ESP Class? Get the important phrases and notes from each episode at espclass.com. You can also find us on LinkedIn, and you can listen to the ESP Class podcast on Facebook. Wherever you join us, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking. Keep learning, keep speaking. See you in the next episode.